Title: dʒɪn, a spirited journey meaning. Today, we're delving into the word dʒɪn. Dʒɪn is a type of distilled alcoholic beverage, known for its distinct flavor, which primarily comes from juniper berries. It's a popular and versatile spirit. Pronunciation. Pronouncing dʒɪn is straightforward. Dʒɪn, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, a classic gin and tonic is a refreshing and timeless cocktail enjoyed by many. Importance. Dʒɪn is a fundamental component of the world of cocktails, bringing a unique botanical flavor to various mixed drinks and cocktails. Conclusion. In summary, dʒɪn is a word that represents the world of spirits and the pleasures of mixology. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, enjoy the diverse and flavorful world of dʒɪn and cocktail culture.